Hello everyone, this is our 45th video tutorial under the GCSE topic revision guide called Transformations of Graphs. This is a must topic in GCSE. I'm hoping to get at least one question out of these three papers. There's 10 theories behind this topic and you must practice this exam style harder question in order to complete this question. If this question coming, I would expect to be a 4 marker or 5 marker for a harder questions on this topic. First of all, I'm going to be teaching you the topics explanation of the all different 10 types of the transformation of the graphs, and after that we are going to do the exam style questions. Hi everyone, let's look at the theory behind this transformation of graph. First one, fx is going to be turned into minus fx. Here we need to carefully understand the minus is coming outside of the brackets. So if this is the case, throughout this theory lesson, I'm going to keep this red color graph as my original graph, which is my fx, and the green color graph as my transformed graph. So if fx is the red color graph, negative fx is the transform graph, which is drawn as kind of a green color. The theory behind this one, you need to reflect the graph by x-axis. So negative coming outside of the brackets, reflection on x-axis. Type 2, fx and f of negative x. Here the negative is coming inside the bracket. If this is the case, the fx, the red color graph, is going to be reflected on the y-axis. So when a graph is reflected on a y-axis, that is the negative coming inside. You need to be clearly understand when the reflection on x-axis, that is because of the negative coming outside. If the negative coming inside, reflection on y-axis. Type 3, fx and fx plus 2. The red color graph is the fx. Fx plus 2 means the entire graph is going to be translated upwards by 2 units. So the minimum point is going to be moving upwards by 2 units. Type 4, fx and fx minus 2. So the red color graph is fx and fx minus 2 means the entire graph is go below. So going down by 2 units. So the green color graph is going to be the fx minus 2. Type 5, fx and fx plus 2. The x plus 2 is coming here. If it is x plus 2 means the graph is going to be move left hand side. And if it is x minus 2, the graph will go right hand side. So this is 2 means 2 units. From here 1 unit, 2 units. Going backwards 1 unit and 2 units. Careful with this 5 and 6. 7, fx and 2fx. fx and 2fx mean the y coordinate, here the y coordinate is here 2, 2 is going to be 2, 4. X coordinate is not changing, the y coordinate is changing by times by 2. 2 times 2 is 4. So the transformed graph is going to be the green color graph. Here fx and half of fx or 0.5 fx, that means the y coordinate here 2, 2 is going to be turned into 2, 1. So the y coordinate 2 turned into half, which is 1. That is the type 8. Type 9, fx and f of 2x. If the x inside the brackets is times by 2, you need to divide the x coordinate by 2. Divide the x coordinate by 2. Say for an example, the original graph is red. The 4 is my coordinate here, which is 4, 0. What you want to do is, if f of 2x means the x coordinate divide by 2. So 4 divided by 2 is 2, 0. And here 0, 0 remains same. So the green color graph it's going to be the transformed graph for f of 2x. Basically, the graph is going to be squashed, shrink by scale factor 2. So you need to divide each and every x coordinate by 2. Finally, f of half x means here divide by 2, then x is going to be times by 2. So basically the red color graph have a coordinate 2, 0. Transform graph, you need to times the x coordinate by 2, 2 times 2. This is going to be 4, 0. So that is the answer for the question number, theory number 10. So you need to memorize the all 10 theory. I'll quickly run through the theory. It's not that hard, but as long as you understand the theory. First one is fx and minus fx, which is a reflection on the x-axis. Fx and f of minus x, the negative coming inside the bracket, reflection on y-axis. Third one, fx plus 2 moving up, fx minus 2 moving down. Number 5, f of x plus 2 moving left, f of x minus 2 moving right. Number 7, if the number coming outside, the y coordinate times by that number. The number coming a fraction, so half or 1/3, the y coordinate is going to be divided by that number. So half means 1/2, divide the y coordinate by 2, which is 1. X coordinate no change. The last 9 and 10 is the number coming inside the bracket, you need to do the opposite operation. If it is times by 2x, you need to divide by 2. So the x coordinate divide by 2, y coordinate remain change. The same here, bracket has a fraction, you times by that number. So do the opposite operation, times by 2. So the x coordinate times by 2 is 40, and that is the transformed graph. Let's look at some exam style question. Hi, this is the tutorial we are going to discuss in this video session. You can download this tutorial from our website at www.smarttutor.co.uk/worksheet.php. Under the Year 11 section, you can download this tutorial. The yearly membership, £24, which works out £2 a month, allows you to download all the tutorial and predicted papers, past papers, everything from our website in PDF format. Let's go to the exam style question. Question number 1. The graph y equal fx is shown on the grid. The graph G is a translation of the graph y equal fx. So the fx is going to be our original graph. So fx is the original graph. The fx is translated right hand side, moving right hand side, and translated graph is the graph G. Write down in terms of f the equation of the G. So basically this is not gone up or down, it's only right hand side shift. We studied in the theory, if a graph moving to the right hand side, it's going to be minus. You need to do the opposite. So the answer for the question is y equal f of inside the bracket x minus how many units it's moved. So from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units, so x minus 5. See, this is how easy it is. So second question, the graph y equal fx has a maximum point minus 4, 3. Maximum point minus 4, 3. So this is what they're talking about, minus 4, 3. Now write down the coordinates of the maximum point of y equal minus x. Y equal f of minus x. F of minus x, we studied in the theory, it's going to be reflection on the y-axis. When you reflect a graph on the y-axis, the y coordinate is not going to change. So the x coordinate, it's going to be changed minus 4 to plus 4. That is the answer. So reflection on y-axis, y coordinate not changing, x coordinate changing from minus 4 to plus 4. That is the answer. Question number 2. This is a sketch of the curve with the equation y equal fx. The only minimum point of the curve is p equal minus 3 minus 4. Write down the coordinates of the minimum point of the curve with the equation f x minus 2. X minus 2 means it's moving right hand side plus 2 unit. So x coordinate is going to be add with plus 2. So 3 plus 2 is what? 5 minus 4. Write down the coordinates of the minimum point of the curve with the equation y equal f of x plus 5 plus 6. X plus 5 means x coordinate move to the left hand side minus 5, right? So the x coordinate is going to be 3 minus 5, which is minus 2. So x coordinate is going to be minus 2, comma, y coordinate plus 6 here, it's going to be moving up. So y coordinate of the previous is minus 4, add with 6, which is 6, add minus 4 is minus 4, add 6 is plus 2. So the answer is minus 2 comma 2. C part, write down the coordinates of the minimum point of the curve with the equation y equal 2fx plus 6. So 2 times fx means, so you need to do section by section. Y equal 2fx plus 6. 2 times fx will give the y coordinate is going to be times by 2, which is the y coordinate is here minus 4. So minus 4 times 2, which is minus 8. Then here plus 6, also the y coordinate add with 6, right? So minus 8 is the new coordinate, add with 6 is the minus 2. So the answer is y coordinate minus 2. The x coordinate is not going to be having any change. So the answer is 3 comma minus 2 for the question number 2, answer C. Question number 3. The graph is given. The diagram shows part of the curve with y equal fx. The minimum point is 3 comma minus 4 and y equal fx plus 3. Fx plus 3 is entire graph moving upwards. So the y coordinate added with 3. Y coordinate is minus 4. Add with 3, which is y coordinate minus 1. And x coordinate no change. Y equal f of 2x. 2x means x coordinate divide by 2. X coordinate is 3. 3 divided by 2 is 1.5. Y coordinate no change. Y equal f of minus x. Minus x means reflection on y axis. When it comes to y axis, y coordinate not going to change. X coordinate 3 change to minus 3. Y equal 2fx. 2fx means y coordinates times by 2. Y coordinate here minus 4 is becomes minus 8 and x coordinate no change. Next one, y equal f x minus 2 plus 3. X minus 2 means x coordinate add with 2. So 3 add 2 is 5. So that is 5. And y coordinate add 3 means y coordinate there minus 4 add 3, which is minus 1. That is the answer for question number 3. Question number 4. The graph is given. The minimum point is 5 comma 2. Write down the coordinate of the minimum point of the y equal fx minus 3. So the graph minus 3 means the y coordinate 2 take away 3. So 2 take away 3 is minus 1. Here 5. So 5 comma minus 1. Y equal f of x minus 2. F of x minus 2 means the graph is going to be moving right hand side, x coordinate add with 2. So x coordinate 5 add with 2 is 7 comma y coordinate no change 2. Y equal f of minus x is the y axis reflection. Y axis reflection, y coordinate not going to change. 5 becomes minus 5. Question number 5. The diagram below shows the graph of y equal fx. the point minus 6, 4 lies on the graph, and sketch the graph of the equation below, clearly given a point of the corresponding A. So y equal minus fx means the minus is coming outside, which is reflection on x-axis. Reflection on x-axis means, so this is going to be starting from here, somewhere here, and from here it's going to be like that. So the coordinate is going to be, x coordinate is going to be minus 4, and the y coordinate 4 becomes minus 4. That is the answer for question number 5a. Question number 5b, fx minus 3. X minus 3 mean graph is shifted x coordinate plus 3. X coordinate plus 3 means minus 6 plus 3, which is minus 3. So the entire graph is going to be shifted minus 3. So the graph is going to be like that. And this point is going to be minus 3, 4. That is the answer for the 5b. Question number 6. Look at the graph. The graph is given. Fx is a sad face graph, is maximum point. The coordinates of the minimum point here, it's a printing mistake. It has to be a maximum point here. So of the curve minus 6, 1. Write down the coordinates of the maximum point. So again the graph, the question is wrong. So maximum point of the curve with the equation fx plus 3. As you know, fx plus 3 means the entire graph is going to moving upwards. So the y coordinate is going to be add with 3. So 1 plus 3 is 4, and x coordinate is not going to change, minus 6, 4. Y equal f of 2x means x coordinate divide by 2. X coordinate divide by 2 is minus 6, divide by 2 is minus 3. Y coordinate not going to change. Y equal f of minus x is reflection on y-axis. Y coordinate not going to change, and minus 6 becomes 6 because its reflection on y becomes positive. So it's become somewhere here 6, 1. Right, the next question, y equal 3fx means y coordinate times by 3, which is 3, and x coordinate is not going to change, minus 6, 3. The fifth question is x minus 2, which mean x coordinate moving right hand side by 2. So x coordinate minus 6 plus 2 becomes minus 4. Y coordinate add with 5. So y coordinate 1 plus 5 is 6. That is the answer for question number 6. Question number 7. Question number 7, shown above is the curve with equation y equal fx. The curve passes through the point minus 4, 0, minus 1, 0, and 0, 5. Sketch the curve with equation y equal fx minus 1. So x minus 1 is the graph is moving right hand side by 1 unit. So x is going to be increased by 1 unit. So this minus 1, 0 becomes 1, 0. So that point is going to be 0, 0. And this minus 4, 0 add with 1, x coordinate is going to be minus 3, 0. Excuse me. So the graph is going to be moving up like exactly same as like that, and like that, and going up, right? So the only 2 points you need to put is minus 3, 0 and 0, 0. And the next one, y equal minus f of x. So minus f of x means it's going to be a reflection on x-axis. So minus 4, 0 on the x-axis is going to be minus 4, 0. And minus 1, 0 is going to be minus 1, 0. and that 0,5 comes here as 0, -5. So you need to draw the graph as how you see the graph. So it's coming from up through the -4, and there is a peak point here, and it's going to be go and touch here, and it's going to be go through the 0, -5 and goes like that. So exactly it's a mirror image of the x-axis. So basically the way I'm doing is a little bit wrong, and I just want to correct it smooth with this tablet pen. It's not that accurate, but hope you understand what I'm trying to do. So the line goes through 0, -5 and goes all the way like that. So it's a basically reflection. I think that is the end of our transformation of the graph tutorial. I hope you like the video. If you do like the video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Those who are taking the exam this year or year 10, if they need any help, your brothers, sisters, friends, best buddies out there, please forward this video link or our channel's link. They can subscribe and watch and get better and gain some math skill. You can download this tutorial from our site smarttutors.co.uk/worksheet.php. Under the year 11 section, you can download the tutorial. The membership fee is £24 per year. If you go to the website, you can freely download the first 3 tutorials, not all of them. You need to become a member to download all the tutorial in PDF format. Altogether 60 to 70 topics there. So you can download in PDF format and revise the math skill. Thank you for your time and thank you for watching this video. All the best.